Hey guys, it's Tiffany from Super Easy Math. Today's math problem of the day says a recipe calls for 2 cups of sugar for every 3 cups of flour. How many cups of sugar would be needed for 12 cups of flour? Well, I'm going to write this as a fraction, and I'm going to first start by writing my sugar over flour, okay? This will help me line up the new fractions that I make because I'm always going to keep sugar on top as my numerator and I'm always going to keep flour on the bottom as my denominator. Well, it says a recipe calls for 2 cups of sugar for every 3 cups of flour, so I'm going to write that. And then it asks how many cups of sugar would be needed for 12 cups of flour. So I'm going to write 12 here. And now this is our own problem of 2/3 equals what over 12. Sometimes you might see a problem like this where it says x over 12 or something like that, a variable. And so all we need to do is figure out the value of that numerator position. So you have 2 ways to do this. You can cross multiply. 2 times 12 equals 3 times x, and then divide both sides by 3. Or you can ask yourself to go from 3 to 12. What do I multiply 12 by? You multiply it by 4. And then whatever you do at the top, you have to do to the bottom. So this is also by 4. So that means the x value here is going to be 8. So to answer the question in the way they asked, how many cups of sugar would be needed for 12 cups of flour? The answer would be 8 cups of sugar. Here's tomorrow's math problem of the day. See if you can solve it before I do, but don't forget to head over to Super Easy Math where you can get my top 5 math tips to make learning math easy.